I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Quick Settings to find the main brightness control on Windows 11. Press the Windows key, plus it to open Quick Settings quickly. You will see a brightness slider that ranges from 0 to 100%. The slider displays a numeric value like 75% beside the icon. If the slider is missing, open Settings and go to System, then Display. Use the display page to locate brightness options and advanced display settings for more control. Use the Quick Settings slider to set display brightness anywhere from 0 to 100%. On many laptops, you can press FN plus the brightness key to change brightness immediately. Some external monitors use physical buttons instead of a Windows slider. You can also open Settings, then System and Display to adjust brightness more precisely. The display page shows night light and HDR toggles that affect perceived brightness and color temperature. If the brightness slider is missing, update your display adapter driver in Device Manager. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click the adapter, and select Update Driver. External monitors connected by HDMI or DisplayPort often do not show a Windows slider and require the monitor OSD buttons. Run Windows Update and check your PC maker or GPU vendor for specific driver downloads. Restart the computer after updates to ensure the brightness control appears and functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.